Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the double touch side button to open your camera app. So if you want to double tap here and you want to open the camera app, then let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and turn on the settings. So we'll do this by bringing down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features. From here, find side button, tap on this. And now from the screen, go ahead and find double press and turn it on. From here, you can go ahead and choose what you want to turn on if you double press. So as you want to select camera, so we'll go ahead and leave it as camera. However, you can go ahead and select all these options. Now, since double tap is on, go ahead and double tap on this phone and that will open up the camera app. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the double tap to open the camera app on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.